Custom software development involves creating software tailored to specific business needs, unlike off-the-shelf solutions designed for a broad audience. This approach addresses unique operational challenges and enhances functionality. The market for custom software development is projected to grow significantly, with a compound annual growth rate of 22.5% from 2024 to 2030. Understanding the cost of custom software development is essential for effective budgeting. It aids in informed decision-making, resource allocation, and managing stakeholder expectations. Knowing potential costs helps businesses decide whether to invest in custom solutions or opt for off-the-shelf alternatives, ensuring financial resources are appropriately allocated throughout the project. The cost of custom software development varies widely, typically ranging from $25,000 to $250,000, depending on several factors. Project scope and complexity are significant determinants. A study by Good Firms found that 64% of businesses exceed their original budget due to scope and feature complexity. More complex features and higher levels of customization increase costs. The choice of technology stack, including programming languages and frameworks, impacts both cost and development timeline. Popular languages like JavaScript and Python often come with higher costs due to demand. Team composition also matters. Freelancers may offer lower rates, while agencies provide comprehensive services at higher costs, and in-house teams offer control but incur overheads. The location of your development team affects costs. North America is the most expensive, with rates around $100, $200 per hour, while Eastern Europe and Asia offer more competitive rates. Project timelines also influence costs. Accelerated timelines may require additional resources, increasing expenses by 25% to 50% compared to standard schedules. Beyond initial development, consider maintenance, support, and compliance costs. Regular updates and bug fixes can add 15 to 20% to the annual budget. Licensing fees for third-party integrations and compliance with regulations like HIPAA or GDPR can also increase costs. Planning for these expenses ensures your software remains effective and adaptable over time.